In the darkness of space, there exists a jewel, a crown, a masterpiece, the most beautiful object in our solar system. Imagine a world encircled by light, rings of ice and rock, catching the sun, glittering like diamonds scattered across velvet. Ancient, elegant, disappearing. This is Saturn, the Lord of Rings, the jewel of our solar system. And we're watching it in its final act of glory. The rings. Saturn's crown, Saturn's glory, stretching 175,000 miles from edge to edge, 3/4 the distance of Earth and Moon. But here's the miracle. Those magnificent, massive rings, only 30 feet thick. The rings are made of billions of pieces, ice, rock, and some as tiny as dust, and some as massive as mountains. Each piece orbits independently, millions of tiny moons dancing in formation, creating this spectacle. But here's what breaks my heart. Saturn's rings are dying. Gravity is pulling them down into Saturn like a cosmic drain. In 100 million years, those rings will be gone. Dinosaurs walked Earth without ever seeing Saturn's rings. They formed after dinosaurs died. And one day, future might not see Saturn with its rings. We're living in Saturn's golden age, right now, this moment, but it won't last forever. But Saturn has mysteries beyond its rings. Here's one that'll blow your mind. Saturn would float. If you find a bathtub big enough, you'd need a bathtub the size of several Earths. Saturn would float in water. It's the least dense planet in our entire solar system. Lighter than water. Made of hydrogen and helium. A gas made of air. But don't let that fool you. Saturn spins so rapidly, 1,100 miles per hour. That's the speed of its winds. And at Saturn's North Pole, something impossible exists. A hexagon. A six-sided storm, 20,000 miles wide. 4 Earths could fit inside it. But why hexagonal? We don't know. Nobody knows. Saturn keeps its secrets. But Saturn's greatest mystery orbits around it. Titan, Saturn's largest moon, bigger than Mercury. The only moon in our solar system with a thick atmosphere. And on Titan's surface, there are lakes, there are rivers, there are clouds, there is rain, but no water. Liquid methane, liquid ethane. It rains gasoline. Titan might be what Earth looked like billions of years ago, before life began. Could life exist on Titan? Not life like us, but life based on liquid methane instead of water? That's Saturn, the Lord of Rings, the jewel of our solar system, rings that won't last forever, and a hexagon that defies explanation. Moons with methane lakes and hidden oceans, the beauty and absolute beauty of Saturn. Next, we visit the weirdest planets, Uranus and Neptune. Worlds that spin sideways and rain diamonds. Thanks for watching, Space Explorers. If you liked my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.